Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the SPFX extension version of Templates Manager. First of all, you need to go to the SharePoint Admin Center, and I usually find that up here. And if you don't have that, then you don't have the permissions to go in there, most likely. So you need to be a SharePoint admin to do these steps. Under here, we'll find the SharePoint Admin Center. Don't need the Office 365 Admin Center anymore, so I'll close that down. And here I now go to More Features and find Apps. The first time you click on that, you will get to create an apps catalog. That's done very automatically, just following a wizard. But now that you have an apps catalog, as you see, I am in a site called App Catalog, which has been created automatically by that wizard. Now you can just upload the file that you need. So just click on the upload button here. Then I've placed mine on the desktop here, the latest version. And as you see, they're named after the version number. So if there's a new version, then you do need to deploy that one, delete the previous one before, and then just upload that item. And as you see, this warning here does not apply. This is for the old version, the .app version, which we no longer support. Now, this is a very important question. It's showing you what permissions this app is needed. It's only reading from SharePoint, so that's all, nothing else. And you can enable the app. That only makes it possible to add it to other sites in your SharePoint environment, in your SharePoint tenant. Or you can enable it and add it to all the sites automatically. That's, of course, the simplest one. Then it will be deployed everywhere. As long as there's a SharePoint site, there will be the Templates Manager button for it. So I'm going to only enable this app now so I can show you the next step, how to deploy it to a specific site. Now, enabling this app will only take a few seconds. I can also see that I have the organization-wide extensions, so you can disable them if you want. But the easy way to just disable this extension package is, of course, just delete it. But let's go to the next step now and show you how to actually deploy it in a site. You could potentially do that in this app catalog site also, but most likely that's not a site that people will be using. But here is another site where I want to deploy my templates later. So I'm going to make sure that it's deployed here. I go into Site Contents and click on New App. And then I have from my organization, make sure that you have the same version number, which is correct. So I'm adding that now. Now it's been added. Great. So now I can go back to Company Templates. And under Site Contents now, I will see that if I need to take it away, I can just do that, delete it there, remove it there. But now what this does, it adds an extension to the site. So when I go in here, you see I have the template selector button there. First time I click that is for the next demo. How do I actually publish my templates? But this demo shows you how to install the SPFX extension version of Templates Manager. So thank you for watching this demonstration.